Hi, everyone. My name is Catherine Crawjack, and I am the founder and president of PCD Australia. It gives us a real privilege for being able to talk to you briefly about what we're doing in Australia. We're a completely volunteer-run organisation. We work closely with our PCD community to provide support, improve awareness, and advocate for better access to care, and importantly, support and promote research. We're building stronger connections between patients, clinicians, and researchers because we really believe that the patient voice needs to be part of the conversation, not just at the end, but throughout the whole process. We're working on access to specialised PCD care, and it's a huge opportunity for us to learn from what's happening internationally. One of the things I'm particularly proud of is that PCD is increasingly involved in research in Australia. We're also working with international collaborations and conversations about the future of PCD care. For us, it's about making sure that the experience of people living with PCD translates into better care, better research, and ultimately better outcomes for a better life. We may be a small organisation, but we are very passionate about making sure that the Australian PCD community has a voice, and that voice is heard globally. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Francisco and I'm speaking to you from Sao Paulo, Brazil. I represent the National Patient Organization for people living with primary ciliary dyskinesia. Brazil is home to more than 200 million people, and we're working to build a national network that connects patients, families across the country, raise awareness, and improve diagnosis and access to specialized care.
Hello everyone, my name is Emily from the French PCD support group, the ADCP, which exists for more than 20 years and has around 200 members. I'm 56 years old and was diagnosed with PCD 10 years ago. It's taken me all this time to manage my PCD as effectively as possible and finally succeed in reducing my flare-ups despite having Pseudomonas lurking deep in my lungs. It is important to find the right information and the right people to help you so that you can enjoy a good quality of life and live happily. Finally, if you have a bit of time, energy, and motivation, please join us in our support groups. We need you to raise awareness on PCD and to help improve its diagnosis and treatment. Thank you and have a lovely day.
Hello from Tbilisi, Georgia. Sorry I can't attend this conference in person. I'm Tamar Makhatadze, the founder of Primary Ciliary Dyskinesia Association, Georgia. Our organization is 2 years old and we support 6 adults and 3 child patients and their families. I believe that united as a PCD society, we can change the future. The stronger we are, the more positive impact we can have on the healthcare system and on patients' lives.
Hello, I'm Benedikt König, chair of the German-speaking PCD organization, representing more than 300 people with PCD, mostly from Austria, Germany, and Switzerland. And we'll have our 30th birthday coming up next year already. And besides that, I'm also father of a teenage child with PCD that was diagnosed more than a decade ago. And to this day, we still have open questions. So that's PCD for us. So it's in both these roles that I want to congratulate and to thank this great community here for now combining efforts on a global scale. And I wish everybody an insightful and inspiring time in Montreal. And last but not least, a big thank you to the organizing committee and everyone contributing to make this event a success. And with that, thank you and have a good time and greetings from Germany.
Good morning all, I'm Sara Bello and I'm part of the Italian PCD Association's board. We have approximately 70 members in Italy at the moment, but we are working to increase this number to build a strong community. One of our aims has always been raising awareness. That's why we published 2 books. The first is a collection of patients' and parents' experiences. The second was conceived to help little kids with PCD. But since it talks about self-acceptance and inclusion, We decided to use it in schools as a mean to explain what a rare disease is, what PCD is, and how important it is not to be afraid of differences. Another focus is scientific research. We have funded 2 grants and are planning to fund a new one soon. I really wish you a very profitable conference, and I look forward to seeing you in person next year. Bye.
My name is Trini Lopez. I am from Murcia, Spain. I am a patient representative of the Primary Ciliary Dyskinesia Spanish support group, which supports around 60 families in Spain. In this global meeting in Montreal, we are from very different countries, but we all have the same goal, improving lives of people with PCD.
Hi, I'm Tanya from PCD Sweden, or PCD Sverige. PCD Sweden is led by people affected by PCD. We aim to bring our community together, raise awareness, and advocate for better healthcare, policies, and research. We believe everyone affected by PCD deserves to be heard, but not everyone has equal opportunity to speak up. Those facing the greatest challenges often need flexible ways to participate and support in sharing their experiences. By creating those opportunities and working together across borders, we can help make sure no voice is left behind.
Merhaba, ben Besey Özsoy. Montreal'de aranızda olmayı çok isterdim. Bu video ile sizlere seslenebildiğim için çok mutluyum. Türkiye Primer Silyer Diskinezi Derneği kurucusu ve başkanıyım. Aynı zamanda PCD'li bir gencin annesiyim. Şu anda yaklaşık 50 PCD'li birey ve ailesiyle aktif iletişim halindeyiz. Fakat Türkiye'de bu sayının çok daha fazla olduğunu biliyor, onlara ulaşmak için çalışmalarımızı sürdürüyoruz. Uluslararası PCD topluluğundan öğrendiğimiz bilgi, deneyim ve dayanışma bizlere güç veriyor. Türkiye'den hepinize sevgiler. Teşekkür ederim.
Hello, I'm Harriet Home, Executive Chair of PCD Research. I'm very sorry that I'm unable to join you in person at the PCD Global meeting in Montreal, but I'm delighted to have the opportunity to send a message from PCD Research. Our mission is simple: to accelerate progress for everyone living with PCD through better research, faster and more accurate diagnosis, and ultimately better treatments. PCD may be rare, but our community is global and none of us should be working in isolation. Real progress will come when patients, researchers, clinicians, and organizations across countries work together, share knowledge, and set our ambitions higher. Together, we can change what it means to live with PCD.
Hi there, I'm Alex Pollock, Chair of PCD Support UK. I'm just leaving my annual checkup at one of the UK's specialist adult PCD services, feeling very grateful for how far PCD care has come in my lifetime. Now, as we like to tell all our friends over the pond, everything in Britain is ancient. I mean, look at that bit of the hospital there. That was built in 1857 as a result of charitable donations. That was the same year Queen Victoria decided to make Ottawa the capital of Canada. Sorry, Toronto. PCD Support UK goes back about 35 years, which is also ancient as these things go. But while that old chapel's looking a little bit ropey now, if we're honest, the charity's going from strength to strength. Our Chief Executive Lucy's there this week. You must stop her and have a chat. She'll tell you all about our big plans for the next 5 years. We're keen to speak with more PCD patients and build those links between researchers, clinicians and PCD patients that help good things to happen. As research accelerates and new treatments seem to be so close, that connected patient voice has never felt more important. We're really proud to be part of this global PCD community with you all. Take care, eh?
Hi everyone, my name is Billy Anton and I'm with the US PCD Foundation. While only a few thousand people in the United States have been diagnosed with PCD, we know there are many more out there who remain undiagnosed and are still searching for answers. We gather in Montreal for the first Global PCD Conference to do something about this and make a difference. It's exciting to see patients, families, healthcare professionals, researchers, and pharma come together from around the world. By raising awareness, sharing knowledge, and supporting one another, we can help more people find answers and ultimately improve the quality of life for those affected by PCD. Thank you.